Alright, welcome back. Guess what it is? An unboxing. This goes along with the video where we said we were going to go on eBay or Reverb or something like that, and we were going to buy, that's right, a damaged, broken guitar, try to fix it. This is one of many, so I have no idea what this is going to be. In fact, I don't even remember what it is, and none of the labels here are quite clear, so good luck with that, right? All right, so let's do it this way. Let's do it end and end. I want to show you this. Hold on a sec. This right here, I don't know if you can get this in the camera. This is all that I can make out. That it's definitely an Epiphone, so it says Epi Les Paul husk. And I don't remember anything else about it, so that's why I said I have no idea what this is going to be. So it's kind of a mystery to all of us, I guess. Okay. I'm acting like it's really heavy. It's not that heavy. Perfect. Just what I wanted. It's paper. Oh, I already see the damage. Look. That's just the tip. Yeah, so there it is. You can clearly see the tip. I should say the tip with no tip. So here's my question then. Oh, that must be it. Look. Hey, it's a Les Paul that comes with a bonus piece. Should we check it out? Oh, this is exciting. This is going to tell us everything we want to know right here, folks. This is going to be everything that we want. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Why? Oh, I'll tell you why. Bam. What is she? Take a wild guess, guys. So here's why we got this one. Number one, doing the repair, you can kind of see this is a pretty clean break. So there's a lot of surface here that I'm hoping we're going to be able to just scratch this off a little bit, rough it up, and then get it ready and then reattach it. But we know what that is, right? All right, let's get the rest of it, because I'm assuming with this color, it's hard to make. I'm trying to get the lighting so you can see the number here. Serial number here is 220-115-21133. I'll put that on the screen because I can barely read it out. All right, there we go. All right, let's put that away. They did a great job. They did a great job. I don't know what else to say. I mean, that's pretty. Behold the mighty hammer. Okay, and oh, I know which one this is. Let's get it on the table. This is the greatest thing ever, or the biggest mistake we've ever made. And bling. So this looks like the vintage model, stripped down to the husk, made in China. It has the Kalamazoo head, so that's going to be 2022, 23 years of the model. And then when you can look in the cavities, you got some of those shots there. Here's what's really cool. Routing job's not super clean, but I don't know if y'all can see this, but that's good. Long neck tenon. Daddy-like. And then you can also see the separation of the wood here. So it has, these are the ones that do have a maple cap on the mahogany. It looks like there's a seam right here, so it's definitely a two-piece back. This is a really pretty one here. And it, sustained some injuries up here. So if we drop this down, here's why we like it. That's all we're going to have to do is this right here. Not too bad of a break. We'll have to see if we can get that to fit really good. We're going to do a whole video on this, gluing and putting this together. But that, I think, is going to be pretty all right. as a project, a starter project. I don't know if you can see the truss rod down inside there in that cavity there. But at first glance, I don't see any other, really bad problems. I guess we should get the back shot really nice here. Yeah, so not too bad. That's not a bad project, but I gotta even clean it off here. She looks nice. I'll be excited to bring this back. That's feel pretty nice. Nothing too crazy. So, good luck on our project, guys. There we go. There's the unboxing.